Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how you can hide the page from a menu, how you can remove it from a menu, how you can add it, and much more, a lot of information about it. So first of all guys, please make sure to go to your dashboard. I have already made a video about it in the previous tutorial, so make sure to check it out right after this video. But for now, let's take a round and focus in this tutorial until the end so you don't miss anything and you don't make any mistakes. So first of all, what you have to do is open the dashboard like I did before. So it will be open something like that. Go here, put your username, email, and here the password. So it will be something like so. Now what you'll have to do is go to a page and let's create it. So let's create a new page by clicking on add new, and let's make it something like football or football. Okay, that works for us, and let's publish it. Now let's go to our website, and as you can see here, it is already hidden because I didn't really add it in here, but let's add it so it will be showed for us and we can remove it later on. So it is this one, and add items, and let's add this football in here. As you can see, publish, and now as you can see, it is added in this menu. If we click on it, it will take us to it. Let's wait a little bit, and yeah, here it is. Now, how you can actually remove it? Well, there is multiple ways. One of them is going here and remove that by clicking on remove. The second method, which is going to here, dashboard. From dashboard, you can go to appearance. From appearance, you go to menus, and from menus, you go and search for the main menu and click on select. And again, from here, you go to football and you click down and click on remove. Also, there is the other way, which is removing the whole page, which is something like that, football, and click on trash. Of course, you didn't delete the page, but it is not permanently deleted, but you can restore it whenever you like. But for now, it will not be shown in the menu. So I guess that's how you can actually hide the page from your menu. So thank you guys for watching and see you next tutorial. Bye bye.